that why my mom just give me milk with haldi or milk with turmeric. Then when I grow up, I just get to know that turmeric has antioxidant. They have some property that they just fight with the germs and make our white blood cell active. So that's why everything has logic. Some people told us Indian people don't have logic, but in my opinion, Indian have everything logic. Nowadays, people use red chili, but do you know that is a fact or it is very amazing thing that you people don't know? But I am gonna tell you right now that chili is not originated from India. Chili is a outsider spice. It's not from originated from India. India produce black pepper instead of chili, and black pepper have their own perks. Black pepper is like super antioxidant, they are full of minerals, they are full of flavorful, even they don't harm our body as much. But when we consume red chili as much as amount, it produces many kind of harmful diseases nowadays. So in my opinion, just be Indian and you use Indian things. And beyond the Indian spices, there are many countries that produce spices. Like South Asian country, Indonesia, and many of the country produce clove, nutmeg. Nutmeg is a very trendy spice nowadays because people use it in our puja, in our medicine, and everything. So if Indian have spices, there are like many numerous use of this spice. It make our food delicious. It cure with us in our for any treatment, and there are like multiple use of this. So just I want to say that just search deep about the India, because India is like have many of the things that we don't know, that it's just like chili. We don't know that chili is not our thing. Chili is originated from the India. Chili is exported. So that's my view. Thank you. I hope that you like this. Thank you.
Oh, wow, wonderful.